Before there was India, before there was even land or oceans, there was chaos, fire, rock, and dust swirling in space. 4.5 billion years ago, our planet was born, molten, unstable, and alive. As Earth cooled, its surface cracked, forming giant floating plates. One of these plates would one day carry India. Beneath the chaos, something extraordinary was in motion, the slow dance of continents that would shape the world we know. Millions of years later, India wasn't where it is now. It was part of an ancient subcontinent called Gondwana, sitting close to Africa, Madagascar, and even Antarctica. But around 150 million years ago, India broke free and began the fastest continental journey in history, racing north at 20 centimeters per year. After 100 million years of travel, India finally collided with Asia. The impact didn't just shake the earth. It bent and folded the land upwards, creating the world's youngest and tallest mountains, the Himalayas. Even today, they're rising about 1 centimeter every year. The earth is still sculpting India. That same collision gave birth to the mighty rivers, the Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Indus. It changed the winds, creating the monsoon. The soil became rich, perfect for life and civilization. From the rocks that rose to the rivers that flow, every inch of India carries the memory of Earth's ancient fury. So next time you step on Indian soil, remember, you are standing on a traveler that journeyed across oceans, collided with worlds, and became a home to a billion dreams. This isn't just geography. It's a story of how Earth created India. And here's something truly unique. India is the only nation where 6 major religions, 22 official languages, and hundreds of cultures coexist, all on one ancient land. That unity in diversity, the planet created it only once. If this story amazed you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the community of curious minds at the Untextbook, where learning feels like storytelling.